Hey folks, it's me, Adam from BestHealthSupplementReviews.com, and today we're looking at nootropics. That's right, we're looking at cognitive support supplements, and I've already picked out the best of the best. For those of you who are unfamiliar, I go out, I research hundreds of different supplements, then I pick the absolute best by several criteria, rate them accordingly, and I let you know what the answer is, which one you should spend your money on, and which ones are just sawdust and you shouldn't. So when it comes to nootropics, when we're talking about brain supplements, well, guess what? I have the answer for you. Now, my criteria included, I wanted something that was doctor formulated. I wanted a great formula of very important ingredients. I wanted something with a 90-day guarantee, so you can try it. If you don't like it, you can send it back. I wanted something made in the USA. I wanted something vegan, non-GMO, etc., etc. So what's the answer? What is the best nootropic on the market? This one comes to us from KaraMD, from Dr. Kara, Focus 365. This is an absolutely super awesome supplement. You can see I've been taking this, I've tested it out. This is my second bottle and I'm well into this bottle. And yeah, I take it in the morning because I have to do a lot of research. I make a lot of videos, I do a lot of research. And this is one that I absolutely take every day.